Today we are going to list 50 important things you should know and or consider for your TikTok ads. Remember, knowledge is power, but you also need to take action. This might just be what you need to make your first $100,000. You can comment below if you would like for us to go into more detail in any of these topics, and let us know if you want to see a part 2 to this awesome video. Let's begin. Number 1. TikTok ad pixels. Number 2. Create a conversion funnel. Number 3. Divide your audience to make relevant offers. Number 4. Use Google Analytics. Number 5. Consider UGC. User-generated content. Number 6. Attention and interest is very important. Number 7. Use social proof. Number 8. Find a winning product. Number 9. Always check your insights. Number 10. Set a clear goal. Number 11. Create more discussions and conversation for your ads. Number 12. Use A/B testing. Number 13. Retarget your best audience. Number 14. Is your landing page ready? Number 15. Location. 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 Number 16. Make the best TikTok title and description combo. Number 17. Find the age range of your audience. Number 18. Consider videos over images. Number 19. Choose your music wisely. Number 20. Choose your background wisely. Number 21. Think about where your logo should be placed. Number 22. Allocate a good amount for your daily ad spending budget. Number 23. Keep watch over what is working and what is not working. Number 24. Choose the best marketing objective for your ad. Number 25. Think about how to get your cold leads to become hot leads. Number 26. Confirm if B2B or B2C is better for your ads. Number 27. Take a look at your competitors. Number 28. Consider using TikTok captions. Number 29. Make your landing page congruent to your TikTok ad display. Number 30. Consider content marketing in addition to your TikTok ads. Number 31. Consider influencer marketing. Number 32. Use an effective and or proven strategy. Number 33. Make your ad simple to understand. Number 34. Time is money, especially on TikTok. Number 35. Consider viral marketing strategies. Number 36. Reinvest back into your ads. Number 37. You need to quickly hook your audience in your ads. Number 38. Find how you are going to create repeat sales. Number 39. Consider affiliate marketing in addition to your ads. Number 40. Views don't always mean sales. Number 41. Use holidays and major events to your advantage. Number 42. Surpass the language barrier. Number 43. Remember, some products work much better on TikTok and other don't. Number 44. Show the pain of not having your product. Number 45. Show how life is much easier with your product. Number 46. Consider email marketing for repeat sales. Number 47. Know your target audience. Number 48. Have a good story. Number 49. Test out which colors and letters does better for your ads. Number 50. Consider giving away a free gift. Hope you learned something from this video which you can implement into your videos. Check out this video where we talk about how to run TikTok ads this year. Secrets revealed.